Hey, Guy 1948 here. Thought I'd do a quick little update on clearing this land here. It's actually going pretty well. That's a W30, an F12, an F20 back in there. Concrete mixer. I believe that was a Model A rear end. Duckbill F30. But yeah, it's been cutting stuff left and right, and I still got a long way to go on it. I moved this Massey Harris. This one's still stuck in the mud. That's about how this one was. You see the rut. But these have been back here for, I don't know, at least 10, 15 years or so. But they were in pretty poor shape when they were got, so you see how deep that one was sunk. But got that picked up, slid over. There's my new shed. Well, new shed. But I'm not going to go in there yet. That's a disaster. But yeah, slowly coming along. I want to get rid of all this. I might leave like that tree there. I might leave a couple trees because it's really nice down in this area, but what I don't like are these. Darn locust trees are just everywhere out here. You gotta watch walking around. You don't want to get one of them up in you. But yeah, that's a quick little update, and I did a little more on that side. Yeah, alright. The more I think about it, it's probably closer to 20 years those tractors got drugged back there. It's and there's all this mess that needs to be cleaned up yet. I'm working on it. That's a 50 by 80 cattle shed. There's a 20-30 horse Wallace. We actually have a good one of these. This was more parts someone made. Can't really see it. They extended the wheels out so it's a really wide rear end on it for doing like slopes, and I think the front end they kind of widened too. So they could do hills with it. That's a, oh, what is that? Minneapolis BF? Yeah, that's the BF. There's an Avery A back in here somewhere too. I had some people comment and they were interested on this this little mower back here. It's not really going to get much of a video. It's actually my brother's. It's more of a parts mower. It's a C85 wheel horse. She's in pretty poor shape. Stole the carburetor, stole the starter. The wiring wasn't that great when I got it, or when Jake got it. But yeah, there it is back in there. It's all the plastic on the fenders is busted off, and it's not in the best shape. It's just another parts mower. But yeah. Oh, last time I said these were crabapple trees. They're Osage orange or hedge apple. That's what these are. Which I found out's really good for making bows out of, but I don't want that around here either. I'm trying to get rid of all the thorny stuff. I got over there, I got some sort of vine coming up too that's got all sorts of thorns on it. I'm trying to get away from the stuff that'll hurt you. Or pop a tire, more importantly. Here's more black locust. Or honey locust, I'm sorry. Black locust is behind my house. Or my other place. Oh, it's just it's bad back there, but you come over here and here's my pile. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger every day. But alright. And back in there's some more clearing I did, and took some tree stumps out from over there. It's just been a long process. This has been the tractor that's been doing all my work for me. It's a Ford, I believe it's a 3600 or it's somewhere in that. They had like 3600, they had like a couple different weird numbers in that series from what I was reading. Got a front bucket on it, loader. These are actually off a street sweeper. They're actually some pretty beefy cylinders. Yeah, just got a Woods bush hog on the back. That thing does a good job. Got a blade for it. But these tires, now I know someone's going to say something about the tires being backwards. That's just the way it came when we got it. And well, I think we've had one go flat and had to patch it, but it's a miracle they hold air at all. Look at how, oh darn, let's not get thorns in it. Up front, these are foam filled, so they're not, that's nice. If I ever get another tractor like this, I'm foam filling the front tires. That is nice. You can go so far in without having to worry about popping your ears. They're getting a little wore out though. This has been a really good tractor though. We've had a couple different loaders on it before we got this one set up right. But yeah, 3-cylinder gas. I believe it's 40 horsepower, somewhere in that range. But yeah. While we're on this little tour of the property, I figured show you the site of the new shop. It's going to be 32 by 48. It's going to be 12 foot tall. But it's going to be a nice little building to work out of. It's actually the same size as that building there. But I got 3 acres in here. I'm going to be putting the shed here. I would love to actually put the house way back there by the cattle shed, but the way the power is and everything, and I actually have a well right there by that post. There's actually a well here, so I'm going to tap into that. But the house will be right over here. I've changed plans about 3 or 4 different times on the size of the house, but 24 by 32 with a basement was the initial one. Priced the basement, and I don't know. We might be, I don't know yet, but we'll see. But front yard, got a moped. And over here they took samples out for septic. So septic system be over here. And it goes all the way back to where the field starts, turns over, and got my 3 acres. But, alright, I think that's going to do it for this video. Oh, I could show you the trusses. Here's my 32 foot long trusses. They were actually 46. The building was like 46 by 70, something along those lines. But we had to cut them down to get them on the trailer, and even these are overhanging quite a bit. But got them home. There's the excess. So I think that'll be a decent size. Then that building came with the property too. If you can even tell, there's a building there. There is a building there. Roof's all falling in and grown up inside. And yeah, I think there is a concrete pad in there, but I haven't been in there in years. Yeah, she's pretty well had and all grown up with trees. And it's a shame, but probably just gonna get bulldozed in. The bricks are all coming apart too. They're getting all pushed in. I don't see the crack back in there. But oh well, just one of those things. Just one of those things. But